Okay, welcome back, Movie Masters. I know it's been a little bit of time, but I've got something exciting, and we had a little bit of a teaser before, and that was a little sad because Sony had said that they had updated the new Upgrade 5 to their firmware, and this was allow you to bring one of the most exciting features to choose the shutter angle. Now then, what they did afterwards is they released it. So not only did Sony release this update, and then everyone was excited, but then a couple of people had reported that the update had bricked their camera. Now this had happened before on I think update 2 or update 3, so people were a bit hesitational to do it. Now they took it off the market for some time, and that was very annoying, and a lot of people on Reddit were annoyed. But finally, as of today or yesterday, depending on what time difference you're in, they have now officially put out the new update. So now while it's out, I'm gonna load it onto my card. So to show you how to do that, you'll go to this website, which you'll see. You then get a spare SD card or the SD card out of your camera. I've pre-downloaded the index and I'll show you how to update that. Now I've put it in the link below so you can easily find it. Now, you want to make sure on the SD card that there is no other firmware update. So I'm just going to drag and drop that straight onto my card. Should be the only one on there, just on the main folder. So that will take just 1 minute. I've got a super fast card. Now I'll take that out. Okay, now we'll put this card into the camera. Make sure the camera is at least 60% charged. Now we'll turn the camera on. So here I'm just showing you, you go to the menu, which is the bottom one here. You scroll across. To setup option, then to version, then across, and then software update. As long as you have downloaded it, put it on the card in the right spot. Click that. Ask you, don't turn it off. Follow the end. All right, we're going to execute this. So some of the other updates that you're going to get with this is the 709 tone, which is going to be really helpful. And it's also just got a couple of extra bug updates and fixes. Not only that, is it allows you 3D LUT software updates, improvements in the image quality, and just a few little other extra software fixes and updates. So I hope this is going to run smoothly with your camera. And I can't wait to see if we're gonna get a Sony FX2 or a FX30 Mark II. I would love something that could do 6K. What would you like to see on a further update? I do know that they have also just released, I've seen Blackmagic have come out and said that they are making B-RAW for Sony. But that's only gonna be on the FX6 and FX9 models. Anyway, if that interests you, we'll talk about that later once we get some more information. But anyway, finally, the update is done. I'm going to use this. Hello.